Guys, welcome to this Money Control live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita Khemka, and my colleague Yatin Mota. Well, Yatin, it's a day of breather on the Lal Street today. We've seen good gains coming in over the last few sessions. But today we, see some profit booking on the screen given the fact that the Nifty is around that 19,350 mark. Sensex down 200 points or thereabouts. But the good part is mid and small caps are continuing to outperform, and the breadth is also pretty equal, 1:1. If you look at the advanced decline ratio on the NSE, today there's buying in the pharma as well as metals pack, but Realty has cooled off a bit, and private banks also not doing all that well. So, if you look at the Nifty losers, you'll see the likes of ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, among the top losers today. Even Bajaj Finance, that is on the losing end, given the fact that, the company may have, launched its QIP to raise 8,800 crore rupees, and if sources are to go by, are anything to go by, the floor price could be at a discount of 4% to yesterday's close price. That's somewhere around 7,250 rupees or thereabouts per share. If you look at some of the Nifty gainers today, from the pharma pack, you have Dr. Reddy's that's topping the charts. You have Hindalco, you have ONGC, Sun Pharma, as well as BPCL. So energy and pharma pockets doing okayish today. But Yatin, lots of result reactions in the form of Nykaa, HPCL, Piramal Pharma, lots of buzzers today. Take us through some of the earnings reactions.
Yeah, so the advanced decline ratio, Nandita, despite the market being down, is almost 1:1. So the good part is that yes, mid cap indices are holding up. Let me talk about Mamaearth, Honasa Consumer. That stock has seen a flat kind of a listing. 330 rupees is where it's trading right now. Only a 6 rupee gain to the IPO price. So yes, a lot of the Lal Street participants are slightly skeptical on the stock with higher valuations. So, but let's see how the growth journey has to be, because right now the gross margins and the profit trajectory according to management should improve moving ahead. As far as markets are concerned, Piramal Pharma, that stock is moving 115 rupees per share. Strong moves coming in post the good management commentary a few weeks back on the good earnings conference call. BSC Limited has crossed the 2,000 rupee mark. Stock is trading at a fresh 52-week high. HPCL reacting positively to the earnings. Stock is up nearly 5.5%. What's not doing well is the real estate pack. Stocks like Lodha and Soba Developers are down nearly 4% each. Angel One continues to fall, profit taking seen at high levels. And if you look at the monthly data of client addition, that has seen some contraction. Obviously there is momentum in client addition, but yes, the numbers are slightly disappointing because of the higher base. Zomato continues to move on high turnover. If you look at other stocks in the small cap space, we have SJV, and that stock is up 4%. Radico Khaitan after the quarterly numbers is up 4%.
Yatin, I also want to mention Atul. Board has approved
very small buyback,
but 7,500 rupees per share at a premium, because the stock is somewhere around 6,500 or thereabouts in today's session. But Yatin, looking at the global setup yesterday, we had Wall Street clocking a 6 straight day of gains. In fact, Nasdaq clocked a 7-day winning streak for the first time since January. But Asian markets were, not all that good today. We saw some bit of losses coming in there. So going forward, I think 19,500 is something that experts believe that Nifty could make a dash at, as we head into Diwali Muhurat trading. But, I was talking to Sachitanand Uttekar in the morning, and he believes that 19,700, once that crosses decisively, we could once again look at, moving towards 20,000 or thereabouts. But of course, today, as I mentioned, is a day of breather. But we'll see whether or not we manage to gain some momentum in the second half, because that's what happened even yesterday. We saw the Nifty crossing that 19,400 mark in the second half of the session. So we'll wait and watch as to what really transpires in the second half. As of now, advanced decline ratio looking good, mid caps and small caps doing well. So we'll have to see what the benchmarks do by the end of the session. But with that, I think we have come to the end of this midday market mood check. Of course, we'll be back at 3:30 p.m. So don't forget to tune in for that. But for now, thanks a lot for tuning in. Stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.